In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for food stamps in Arizona. Start by heading over to Arizona Department of Economic Security's official website at des.az.gov. Then from here, hover your mouse on Services, then click on Food Assistant. Then from here, scroll down and click on Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program or SNAP. Then click on Apply for Nutrition Assistance. And to proceed, press the Apply Online button. Now, if you have an account, of course, choose you have an account. You can also create an account here, but you also have an option if you don't want to create an account at this time. Then from here, click on Apply for Public Programs. And of course, we're going to pick Nutrition Assistant. Then press Next. And from there, just follow all the on-screen prompts in your application. Of course, you'll need to provide basic information such as your name, address, income, and household details. Make sure to have your social security number and proof of income ready. You can provide those documents by clicking on this click here link on the same page. So basically, enter in your personal details, including your and details. And of course, this CAPTCHA, then just press on the verify button. Once you've filled out all those details, you can basically start and proceed with your application. Once you submit your application, you may be required to complete an interview via phone with a DES worker. They'll review your application and may ask for additional documents. And after approval, you'll receive your EBT card in the mail, which you can use to purchase food at participating stores. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!